Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss differential equation unit, that is unit 3 of your paper 5 unit 3, okay, that is Laplace transforms, fine. This topic is a very student friendly topic, easy to understand, easy to find the Laplace transform of various functions. Simple nice results are there. Entire problem solving unit is almost throughout the unit, only problem solving, no major theorems as such, right? It's a very interesting topic for you. Let me first define what is a Laplace transform. What is the Laplace transform of a function f of t? Laplace transform of a function f of t is denoted as L of f of t. L ಅಂದರೆ Laplace transform of f of t. How it is defined? It is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. The definition of Laplace transform is this. Laplace transform of a function f of t denoted as L of f of t, and it is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here e power minus st is called the kernel of Laplace transform. LT ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾನೆ, Laplace transform. E power minus st is called kernel of Laplace transform. Okay, so your job begins with this step only. You need not have much prerequisites except some basic knowledge of integration. Entire topic will be developed starting from the definition of Laplace transform. It is integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Okay, e power minus st is called kernel of Laplace transform. Okay, this operator L is linear operator. What do you mean by saying linear? You take two functions f1t and f2t, right? Take constants c1 and c2. You multiply f1t by c1, f2t by c2 and add them, right? Fine. What is the linear transform of this anta? Correction. What is the Laplace transform of this? Laplace transform is a linear transform, there is no doubt about it. That's what we are trying to tell now. What is L of C1 F1t plus C2 F2t? See, this is nothing, this is equal to C1 times L of F1t, can split and write, that's what it says. C2 times L of F2t. Linear ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, you can spread and write. Okay, L of the sum equal to sum of linear transformations. ಇದು linearity ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. You multiply any two functions with the two constants c1 and c2. ಇದು if you add them, it is a linear sum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is L of this ಅಂತ? L of this is c1 times L of f1t, c2 times L of f2t. Such a property is called linearity. Laplace transform is linear operator to mean this one. C1, C2 are constants here. Okay? So this is the definition. Have a look at the definition again. L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. This is definition. Okay. Next 2-3 classes you are having only problems which are to be solved with the help of this definition. So you can now just understand how easy the topic is going to be for you. Okay, I'll begin with the first example here. What is L of a constant k? You assume that k is not equal to 0. K not equal to 0 is a constant. What is Laplace transform of a constant? Okay, let us make use of this definition. Ask a question. What is the Laplace transform of f of t? It is nothing but integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. Fine. F of t is equal to k here. F of t is equal to constant function k. ಇದು L of k ಆಯಿತು. Put f of t is equal to k. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t ಅಂದರೆ k dt ಇಷ್ಟೇ. We want to find Laplace transform of a constant. When you integrate this, k is a constant, you can take it out. What is the integral of e power minus st? With respect to t ಅದು, with respect to t. ಆಗ s ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. e power minus st by minus s. ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. t is a variable. Limits 0 to infinity. Fine? Okay. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಟಿಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಔಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೆ ಬೈ ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಿಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು 0 to infinity. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಇ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 by e power infinity or it is 1 by infinity, roughly speaking. You are not supposed to take such operations with infinity, but still 1 by infinity is going to be 0. E power minus infinity is 0. So upper limit value is going to be 0. Lower limit e power 0, that is 1. Minus into minus plus k by s. Okay. What was your question? What is the Laplace transform of k? It is k by s. L of k is k by s. L of a constant 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 5 by s. L of 100 is a constant, it is 100 by s. L of 5 is 5 by s, 100 is 100 by s. L of half ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, it is half by s. So L of any constant is constant divided by s. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಲಾಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು, ಆರ್ ಲಾಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್, ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ.